Hey guys, it's been a long time I didn't vlog, so we're going out on window shopping. So we drive about almost 2 hours just to see if there's a good sale on Manchester Selfridges. So come with me and shop with me. So I see you guys later. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video, and comment below and also give me a big thumbs up. So in today's video guys, it's my birthday month, so I would title this what I got myself for my birthday. So we went finally in a store, and also this one has in stock. This is also my one. Actually, I didn't include this one on my wish list, but I've been eyeing this item. Every time I go there, they're always out of stock, and finally guys, this is a perfect timing when we go there. It has an available, which is good. So I bought myself a Chanel. So yeah, this is from Chanel guys, and I don't know why I've been loving the Chanel so much past few days, even though the price increased. And I'll try myself not to spend too much because I just did have a purchase last month my first bag of Chanel. So anyway, of course it comes with the ribbon. I never thought I would purchase that bag because like I mentioned in that video, that this one is hard to get also, and I was lucky they have one stock available in there. So that is my receipt. It really smells good. Oops, I'm looking for my receipt. That's weird, I don't see the receipt. Oh, it's right here. So this is the receipt. I bought this one in the Selfridges in Manchester. So I always keep the receipt, guys. Hold on, guys. It seems my card, my debit card's in here. Good thing. So this is what I got for myself. So that lady who served me, actually I'm looking for my AC and she was busy, so I just talked to the other person, and I really love the Camella. So as you know that this is a small leather good, and maybe I will just include also like a vlog as well from this video, so I just only one video so you can see what all the good items in there. So that's what it looks like. So let's see this one, guys. Probably this one's like a care book. I have like this one into my other bag. Yeah, I think this is a care book. So this is a simple, nice cloth bag. And you ready, guys, what I got? Ta-da! This is the mini case in caviar leather or grain leather and silver hardware. To be honest with you, I want a gold one because it's match on my bag, but like I mentioned that this item, it's really hard to get, and every time I go there's always sold out. I really love the CC logo in this one, as is really nice. I have a card holder, a flap card holder, and I love it that so much as well. And actually I'm looking for a black or red. The problem with the red is a lambskin. Since my bag is a lambskin, I don't want to have another lambskin. I prepared, to be honest with you, a grain or caviar leather, because lambskin is easy to scratch and need to be taken care of. And especially my bag is I have to really care for every time I do that, by the way. So it put this in this one. And actually before she showed me in this one, they have the navy blue. I don't mind, it looks like actually the black, but the difference also for that it was a blue, that it doesn't have this red lining on the zipper, this cloth over here, but you can tell this is the black. And the navy one, it doesn't have, it's all like navy. And this one, you can tell that this is a black, because that's the difference that I want to notice. I good thing that I blog a little bit in there. Before I'm gonna show this item, I'm gonna include the the blog. So like I mentioned, I'm just wanna do that. And of course, let's see. Oh, this is the 29 series. I guess this is from, there you go, guys, 29 series. My bag is 30 series, so that's a 2020 collection. Maybe this one is from last year. And I don't know what is that one, guys. I never had that. There's like a piece of a leather inside that I attach in there. And this one is made in Italy. can see that, guys, made in Italy. My bag is made in France, and I don't know how you can tell the code. Probably okay, let me see if the code, that the leather inside is the code, the serial code. Let's see if that actually match, because you know, they said, well, I bought this one in boutique, but I just want to make sure that they give me the right. Let's see. Yep, that's the right one. So I just noticed that the last unboxing I have from my bag, that this circle in here, that it says you have CC logo, and I'm worried about this one over here, that it scratched my my pouch. So good thing about this pouch is a red lining, and it's not leather, it's more like a silk, I think. And yeah, it's just like so puffy. I wish my bag it was like this as well, so I don't have to worry taking care of that one. And so yeah, and I think I really like that this is silver as well. I never have worried about this, and I think I will do comparison of my 2 card holder of this, but I think this one though is the same price of my other card holder, I think. And this one, it can fit more. Well, the other one is flap, and this one, you can put a lot of stuff in there. And you can also use this one as put your lipstick or compact powder. Let's see if I have compact powder in here, guys. So I got my Dior compact powder. So probably I will leave this item if I use this one. Yeah, it does really fit everything in there. Let's see. I have a full lipstick. That is really nice. And it won't close, guys, if I stand it up. I won't fit the 2 items in there. Just only 2 items I put in there. And it will close up, but I don't know if it's ruined the bag. It seems like it stretched the zipper in here, so I'm probably not gonna use this one as my cosmetic. I can use the one to put my on my bag. So I'm really glad that I got this item, and yeah, this is what I got for myself as a birthday gift. And yeah, this is my birthday month, August, and I can't wait to use this baby. And I really love CC. And also I checked the Louis Vuitton, guys. I see the mini capucine, I don't know how to pronounce that. It's so cute. It next to the BB capucine. It's so cute. It's so tiny. I mean, for the price, the price is actually 3,000 pounds. It's for that kind of price. I'd rather have a a cuckoo handle or business affinity for the price range. Chanel is cheaper than the mini capucine, because the Chanel one is 29, the business affinity is 27, and then the mini one is 3,000. So it's a big difference, guys. So I love the mini capucine, but I will go for Chanel, because Chanel's is always hold the value than a Louis Vuitton. So there you go, guys. That's it for my today's video. I hope you like it, and please give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.